Hi everyone. My name is Dorothy. If you don't know me, I am the librarian at the school here and also for the community. I am making this video to show you how to set up a nice workspace for you to do your classes. So I'm just going to give you a little rundown of some things that you might need and why it's a good idea to have a workspace. First, having your own workspace or study space is just helpful so that you can concentrate. It makes it easier to pay attention to your teachers and makes it easier to get everything done that you need to get done. It's also kind of fun because then you can make it like your own personal classroom. I know a lot of us are missing being able to go to our classes and see everything new and set up for the year. So this is a way that we can have a little bit of fun and we can make our own space and have our own personal classroom. Lastly, it just helps everybody to stay more organized so that we can make sure that we're learning a lot this year together. So I'm going to show you some supplies that you will need to have your own personal workspace, and then we'll put it together. The first thing that you are obviously going to need is a laptop or a tablet or a cell phone, something that you can access the internet on so that you can do classes and meet with your teachers. This one I have is just a touchscreen tablet, but it has the keyboard to go with it. The keyboard is nice, especially for you older students, because you'll probably have to be typing some assignments. I would recommend for younger students, if you're using a laptop, to get a mouse for them as well, which I can show you next. Here are two examples of types of mouse that you could use. This one is a wireless mouse. That means that it's connected through Bluetooth and it has a little USB attachment. There's also this corded mouse, and as you can see, this also connects through a USB attachment. The next thing you will need for your workspace are headphones. These ones are just simple earbud headphones that plug into the computer. Most laptops will have a headphone jack and most tablets. Some phones do not, so if you need to get headphones that have a special attachment, or you could use Bluetooth wireless headphones, that would be smart if you're using a cell phone. A lot of the newer phones don't have that headphone jack. The next thing you want are school supplies, of course. You're gonna have different worksheets and maybe things you want to write or draw with your class. So here I have just a little notebook. Full-size notebooks are easier, but this is the one I had on hand to show you. A little writing notebook. Some crayons. And in here I made my own cute little cup to hold my pencils and markers, and it's just a plain plastic cup. And I just put stickers and yarn on it to make it more fun. The next thing I want to show you is this cool board I have set up. Now I know this looks pretty fancy, but all I did to make it was take a cardboard box and tape up the sides and then cover it with paper. And then you can decorate after that. So any cardboard box that you have at home, something that's big enough that you can make a divider, would be great. On it I have a weekly planner, and this one is set up for a younger student for ages 2 to 4. So a preschool student, and it's an example I found from Khan Academy. That's free online. I also have a little letter A because that's the first letter I'm going to work on with my daughter. And then I decorated it too with Pokemon stickers. Another supply that you will probably want in your work area is something to drink. I just have my water cup here. Notice that it has a lid. Finally, I want to tell you about where you're going to sit. If you can have a chair to sit on, that would be great. Sitting on the floor I wouldn't recommend because you're going to get tired of sitting on the floor pretty fast. I also would recommend, especially for younger students, to have a pillow to sit on, either to sit on top of it like this or to put it behind you, because the chairs are going to be a little bit big and this is going to help you be on the right level for your computer. Also in your sitting area, I would recommend having something to put your feet on, especially for the younger students. I would say pre-K through probably 3rd grade, maybe even 4th grade. If your feet do not reach the floor when you're sitting on the chair in your workspace, have something to put your feet on. This is going to help you to not get tired, and it will help you to stay comfortable while you're working in your workspace. So that is how we have a setup for the workspace. Those are all the supplies that you're going to need. And like I said, if you have this set up, this is really going to help you to stay organized and have fun with your classes. I also want to let you know that if you do set up a workspace, take a picture of it, send it to the library, and I'm going to have a contest that at the end of September, everybody who submitted a picture will be able to get entered in a drawing to win some prizes. So you have nothing to lose. It's only going to help you. Get creative, have fun. If you need any supplies to work on your workspace or to set it up, let me know and I will see about helping you out with that. Just go nuts and have fun, and remember to submit your pictures so that you can get entered into the contest. Happy beginning of the school year!